Can someone please help me? How can I cancel and get a refund for a shore excursion with Princess Cruises without derailing my dream vacation?
That's the 12th question we're going to answer today in this series of sailor support. So, whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, come aboard with us as we help you navigate the choppy waters of the cruise line industry and answer your burning questions from around the world. Let's dive right in, starting with the essentials, because your dream vacation should be all about relaxation and adventure, not stress. Booked an amazing shore excursion but need to cancel? If you paid with a credit card, here's the deal. First, that money will settle any unpaid balance for other shore excursions. If there's nothing to pay off, it heads right back to your card, quick and easy, within 24 hours. Are you switching plans fast? If you book a different excursion within a day, your refund will automatically apply to that new booking. Handy, right? Use a mix of credit card and onboard credit to pay. First, the refund goes back to your onboard credit. If there's money left after that, it'll return to your credit card, all within 24 hours. Simple as that. Paid entirely with onboard credit. Your full refund stays as onboard credit, ready and waiting for you to use on something else fun during your voyage. Now, what happens if you're already on the ship but need to cancel your excursion? Your money goes back to your onboard account, and if you have a positive balance when the cruise ends, Princess Cruises will send you a check. Now, let's talk deadlines. Once on board, the closing time for cancellations typically falls 48 hours prior to the port call. But beware, for some excursions, this can extend to 72 or 96 hours. Miss that deadline, and unfortunately, no refund can be made. Oh, and a heads up, if you don't show up for your tour, it's non-refundable. Easy and stress-free. That's the vibe we're after when setting sail, right? Your cruise is about soaking in the sun and the sea, not sweating over the details. So, what's your take? Are you the meticulous planner or the spontaneous adventurer? And to all you seasoned sailors out there, got any shore excursion stories or tips you're willing to share? Slide into the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.